people estradi, and today I'm gonna show the love of a poem. Can rap matita mamela, yes, I'm dope. This is my talent. Bamban, all the people estradi, and today I'm gonna show this love of a poem. Can rap matita mamela, yes, I'm dope. This is my talent, I swear to God. In this song I'm gonna confess from sentence to another. Precisely I wanna address double metaphors. This is transparent, the fact I penetrate you. Somehow it's prophetic, the truth I motivate you. My words are bombastic, never say I didn't warn you. Your age is limited, my son, I'm older than you. Dear mama, including every living creature, I'll carry on the struggle up until a better future. I'm stronger on my own, this is power of the nature. Ndihlaba ndahlule kumongo nethambo kubini. Ziqhawukela intambo nakuhlithole makwetini. None than to pardon Aphelele Magodongo. Ndacinga ncula nje ndingenathemba ebuntwaneni. Abantu endikhule nabo bebengigxeke kuqaleni. Nto ndaqhubekeka kade ndaqheleka ehlaleni. Bamban, all the people estradi, and today I'm gonna show love of a poem. Can rap amajita mamela, yes, I'm dope. This is my talent. Bamban, all the people estradi, and today I'm gonna show some love of poems. Can rap amajita mamela, yes, I'm dope. This is my talent.